We're now going to show you how to set up the rooftop tent. You might note I have gained some gloves. With the black cover of the rooftop tent, it sometimes gets really hot if it's sitting in the sun, so we recommend using gloves for this. We've already gone around and undone a lot of the buckles and started the removal process of the cover. But first up, we're going to pull that cover off. Could use your help. And I swear that's the hardest part of the job. Go ahead and put that in the truck for now. All right. So up top here, you will notice this orange rubber tie that's just keeping the ladder from bouncing around as you're traveling. So first up, we're going to remove that. And then we're going to start pulling this ladder out. Get a few clicks locked into place. And we're simply going to pull, press that in, and then continue pulling it out until we get the feet on the ground. Now from here, there are buttons on each of these ladder rungs. Drop this down to get it level. We just push those in. Maybe try one more. And once you're about level, you can just get those final micro adjustments by moving the ladder in and out as needed. So now we're 90% of the way there. We just need to pop up the awning here. So we'll lean this out, drop down this stabilizing arm, and we'll put that in place up top. And then we raise up each side of the awning. There are little silver buttons in there you have to press in so that they pop out there. And then just double check this arm, that's what's giving you all that rigidity there. And you can tighten this down if you need a little more love. And you're good to go. You want to check it out? I'll show you inside. It's pretty sweet. There you go. 2 adults and all their bags fit very comfortably in here. 3 kids fit nice and easy.